How to replace the remote for the iJOY Total Massage by Human Touch.
Power off the chair and unplug it.
Remove the 2 screws that secure the remote cord to the power panel. Then, remove the 6 screws that secure the power panel to the chair, keeping them separate from the 2 remote screws. Disconnect the 2 remote connectors and pull them through the panel opening to remove the remote cord. To install the new remote, insert the connecting end through the power panel opening and connect the 2 remote connectors by color. Mount the power panel back onto the chair and secure it with the 6 screws previously removed. Secure the remote cord to the power panel with the 2 remaining screws.